locked down now?
Oh, it pushes you that way. There you go. Interesting. Do you go backwards or forwards?
A little bit of both.
Ah, so you do go backwards.
Yeah.
Ah, so they're gonna twist, do one twist.
A little bit.
Shit.
Oh, not quite, not quite.
God, they fool you.
Oh, wow.
Feels like that first time it's like the ride's broken.
Wow, that's so cool.
Shit. The poles are like too close, man, to the ride. Is a problem in this ride.
It's they wanted to give you like the head chopper feeling.
Well, also like when they start you off, that freaking like this thing's like right there, aren't you?
Yeah, yeah. The claustrophobic is part of it.
It worked out pretty good, right?
That's a great ride.
Did you film it?
I did.
Yeah, they trick you on that first one. They're like, ah, it's broken. That's the first time I think I've ever seen that.
Yeah, they do have that stall element. They basically not quite enough to get over the hill the first time, throw you back.
That's like fringes on intense, but not that bad.
Yeah, that was fun. I like that one.